Today I'm going to show you how I make my crappy drum videos a little less crappy. Let's check it out. Bum bum, dun dun. Ha ha, la 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 la. Oh, So here's my drum room in all of its gorgeousness, complete with the oatmeal colored office carpets hung up on the wall. We've got our black grayish acoustical treatment panels that are hung on top of that. The lighting in this room is not ideal. It's not the worst, but it's definitely not ideal. The biggest drawback is when you turn the lights on, the HVAC system automatically comes on with it. So it's really not conducive to recording anything. So I was kind of forced to bring in external lights. Plus, I wanted to try them anyway and kind of see how it looks with my setup. So all the gear that you see to the right of my kit, that's my neighbor. He's got this gigantic aircraft carrier size xylophone, these wood blocks, his China cymbal, and then you can see some visual treatments that he put up on the wall. I think he's doing some videos over there, but I'm not positive. So I had to figure out a way to get all that stuff blocked out of there and kind of enclose my small space here. What I did is I bought this gigantic black tablecloth and I punched rivets all the way through the top of it. And then what I did is I got a bunch of those little metal key rings and I looped those through the rivets and hung those on hooks that I installed in the wall. So the top of the tablecloth, it's a 90-inch tablecloth, and that's where the hooks are, 90 inches. So it hangs all the way down to the floor, but does not rest on the floor, so there's no ripples or anything. I also bought two 9-foot light poles. I'm going to hang the two front lights that are going to hang directly over the kit on these light poles. But this one on the right-hand side is also going to double as a mount for the tablecloth. I'm going to create a wall with that, as you can see here. Two of the light panels I'm going to mount behind the kit. I love that look, videos where you've got that backlighting coming from behind the kit to the front. It gives it a really good effect, I think, from the front, and then from behind the lights themselves, it darkens everything even more, even though it's a black backdrop. So really looking forward to see how this looks. And then I've got one more light that's going to go up on the other 9-foot light pole on the left-hand side. And these lights, I'm just impressed with them, really impressed. I mean, for 50 bucks, they don't flicker. You've got 3 different brightness modes. You've got low, medium, and high. You have 3 different color modes. You've got a blue light, a blue and amber light, and then an amber light. I think I'm going to go with the blue and amber to kind of get a nice even tone, kind of a natural warm tone. And I'm going to flip these lights behind me down to the lowest setting so I'm not blowing out the camera. So here is a quick view of what it looks like with the lights on the lowest setting. You can kind of see all the way around the my little enclosure here, all the crap that I'm trying to block out, but I just wanted you to see what it looks like all set up. And then I really love the way that these lights make the kit look. With the lighting, like I said, coming from the back up to the front. I'm going to try to put my camera off to the left of the bass drum here. I'm going to try it on the right as well and just see what I like better. But I'm going to do a quick little demo so you can see what it looks like. And the first person who can guess what song I'm playing, I'm going to send you a free broken drumstick. Oh! So all in all, I'm really happy with this stuff. I bought the 4 lights with the stands for 50 bucks. I bought the 2 9-foot light stands for 45 bucks. The tablecloth was 25 bucks and about 10 bucks for the rings, hooks, and the rivets. So 130 bucks for all that? I'll take it. So that's pretty much the setup. Full tablecloth on the back. I hung it up with some hooks. Got some fancy cheap ass lights. Kind of speckled them around. I'm still going to do a little bit more experimentation with placement. But yeah, man. Anyway, that's it. This is going to wrap up the series of my rebuilding phase. I'm really happy with everything. The drums are sounding great. The mics are coming along really nicely. I'm getting them dialed in. It's going to take some time to get everything adjusted and kind of tweaked, so you might see some subtle changes from video to video, but that's it. So we'll see you later. Enjoy. Hope you watch this to the end and you get some tips out of it. So drum videos are coming next. Yeah, get back to what I've wanted to do this all for in the first place. All right? See ya.